Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Aruban Cravings cocktail session. Today I have a very special episode for you guys. Today we're making berry mojitos, requested by Christine. Christine, if you're watching, I tried to contact you to come on the show, but no answer from you. Oh my God, you're missing this one. But anyways, I have some nice guests today with me at the bar. Some beautiful ladies sitting with me today at the bar. Señoritas, hola, ¿cómo están? And also I have some special friends with me since today at the bar. My friends from Pit Monkeys. We have them today with us at the bar. Welcome guys, how you doing? There we go. They have a nice Facebook page. Look for them on Facebook page. They have all the services on the Facebook page. They will explain everything. They have phone numbers you can call. They have a pick and delivery service. If your car is damaged, they will pick it up, fix it and bring it up for you, okay? Okay guys, and we're gonna start like this with these beautiful glasses, beautiful mojito glasses provided by Laura's from Mojitos Aruba. Thank you so much, Laura. Look at these beautiful glasses. Okay, we're gonna start with some fresh mint leaves per glasses, like that. It's gonna be about half lime per glasses, okay? That depends how big the glass is. We're adding some sugar, some cane sugar, okay? This is the basic ingredients for a mojito. Blueberries today, there we go. Some blueberries, a little bit more. Some fresh blackberries, beautiful, look at it. Strawberries. Oh. Some raspberries. And now we're gonna smash everything together. We're gonna crush everything together. Now we bring in all the essential oils from the lime and also the juices from the berries. Okay, now we're gonna add some ice. There we go. And now the best part of the mojito. Today we're using tropical rum, dark rum. Local rum by my friends over there, Aruba Trading. Best liquors and spirits on the island. It's gonna be about a 1 ounce of rum right there. There we go, all right. After rum comes, normally the original recipe made in Havana, Cuba will require to use soda, just regular club soda, but I like to use lime soda, okay? Sprite or 7-Up. Mixing everything together. All right. There we go. And of course, we're gonna add some beautiful straws. Okay, there we go. There we go. And here we have it, my friends. We have berry mojitos. We have the blueberry mojito, we have the blackberry mojito, we have the strawberry mojito, and we do have the raspberry mojito. Okay, guys? Ladies first. So here we go, ladies.
Thank you.
Best tasting mojito on the island. Okay, guys, go ahead. Feast. You may feast. Enjoy the mojito. Okay, my friends, that was it for this episode of the Aruban Cravings Cocktail Sessions. I hope you like the show. Guys, how was this? How was the mojitos? Right, you like it? Of course, made by the great one. I would like to give a special thanks to my friends over there at Aruba Trading for providing us with the best liquors and spirits on the island to make the best tasting cocktails. Okay, and one more time, a special shout out to my friends over here, Pit Monkeys. Thank you guys, thank you for everything. Thank you. Don't forget to follow them on Facebook. Look for them on Facebook, hit the like button. And very important, you know what's coming, huh? You know what I'm gonna be asking you, okay? Look for us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Hit the like button, share, and hit that subscribe button. It's very simple, it's right there, subscribe button. Is it so difficult to hit it? Come on guys, help us with the page. So one day I can be a millionaire, okay? I can buy myself a Lamborghini or something like that. Anyway, guys, next episode coming up next week. Dr. Pixel himself is gonna be standing right here behind the bar, and he's gonna make me a cocktail. Oh my God, I can't wait to try that, you know. And the cocktail is called, how is it called, Dr. Pixel?
Cayo Sombrero.
Cayo Sombrero, there you go, Cayo Sombrero. I have no idea, no clue what's gonna be inside it, but I know it's gonna be good. Okay, it's a traditional cocktail from Venezuela. Okay, so I'm curious about it. Okay, my friends. So thank you so much for watching the show. Don't forget one more time to tell your friends about it. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe.